I guess DJ knows me well, huh? You know I had to get me a cup of brew. We're drinking on caramel here today. Caramel, I don't know, Starbucks coffee. But SOUN, man. I expect to see a retracement here. If y'all caught that early morning video, let me get a seen it in the live chat. Yeah, guys, we're not doing any likes for today's video on these Mondays, but Fridays. It's gonna cost you a like to get that live chat open. What's going on though, guys? Patrick just joined the team. Shout out to Patch, my boy Pat. Kyle, what's going on, man? My boy Raymond say what y'all think about the 415 calls on Tesla? What strike we talk? I mean expiration. Raymond. On them calls. Let's get what is the lower levels that SOUN could dip? Like I'm thinking those. See, Haas ain't do his homework, guys. Haas ain't check out the video before jumping in the live chat. Huh? I got you, Haas. But no, man, we could retrace back down to those 1380s, though. Honestly, I'm feeling retracement at the open. That's why I'm suggesting that we don't. Well, I ain't gonna say we. Let me not say that because I'm not a part of this. But I wouldn't personally touch this thing right now. I think we got some SSR coming our way. Let's see how the market reacts to the open on this. But our DXYZ. Now we did touch that 75 here this morning. Now, guys, when I say I'm confident, don't take that lightly. All right. It's few stocks I put the word confident next to. All right. So, we got DXYZ. Just got a message. Low volume. The volume is slowly creeping though. These last 3 days of trading, I like that. When you got an increase in volume as the share price is rising, that's a great sign. Because you tend to see the opposite. Especially when you coming from $30 just last week. So that's gonna be interesting. Let me check out the live chat. We got PLTR crushing. I told you guys, man. Listen, is it dropping or what? It shouldn't be. I don't think it is. I hope it's not. All right, I hope it's not. But there we go, baby. I told y'all, guys. Remember when I was making a Palantir video months and months ago, and I'm like, guys, remember this earnings? Expect somewhat the similar trajectory that's coming off this next earnings. I lied. This shit is way more steep, way more lateral than. This is crazy. And I like how JP Morgan and those guys like you hit the same price target I put out there shortly after. So let's see if they put a $90 price target on Palantir here in the upcoming days, because that's our price target here before Q1 is over with of 2025. So that's what we going with, guys. $90, and that's being modest. I don't like to give you guys those astronomical prices. You know, some guys is $300. I see YouTube videos talking about 900, like crazy numbers, guys. Here you're gonna get sustainable share prices, because we do all stocks just don't go up. The retracement here on Palantir, man. Once I see the retracement on Palantir, I'm going put central. We got my boy Arcat Blake's in the building. I got you. Our favorite Eve. Like, those is cool, guys. I fucks with them. No lie, I fucks with those stocks you just named but trading wise, because I know an early investor in ACHR or any of those type of stocks, is gonna be a pissed off sailor here in about 3 years. Not even 3 years. I give it 9 months. 9 months once they start diluting this thing. Because if I'm this company, I'm taking advantage, bro. I got to. I don't have too much money, cash float. I'm burning through a lot, so. And I got about 150 million shares that I could actually sell here. Like, yeah, guys, be looking out for an offering here in ACHR. You see what AMC just did. See what GME did. A lot of these other stocks is going to take the opportunity to raise money during this time to stay afloat these next 3 years. It would be a great idea for ACHR to actually do such thing, but who's ever in the stock at the time is going to have to pay that price. So just be aware, guys. I don't want everybody to be pissed off at me talking about, oh, you knew this was coming. Be aware of those stocks that don't have at least 3 years of cash runway on hand, and that is seeing a fluctuation in price. That has a huge gap between the share float and the current share count. All right, that is a high risk of dilution. Now we're going to check out you guys' stock here in a second. It's about to open, baby. Let's look at SOUN here really quickly. I don't know, man. I'm feeling real bearish at the open. But let's see what buying opportunity presents itself. I think these stacked positions here coming off of these last 2 days, man. It's still some. Did he open yet? Not yet. Live chat. What's going on, guys? Thanks, Obi. Can you do a PT for ACHR this week? I got you. Let me turn off these notifications. But I got you, Haas. I'm still thinking ACHR 11. Hold on. Well, we said 9, but we got $9 here. Yeah. I see it's a battle between. But yeah, let's hit $9 in ACHR first. Because after that retracement day, we still have to see a recovery from that. Rough day in the markets right now. I just want to see how Palantir reacts to stuff like this as well. Just skimming through real quick, guys. I'm gonna get back to everything that's in the live chat here pretty soon. XPing. Alright. We got hits 9 or dumping hold. I hit the 9. Partial gains. I mean, I will sell partial profits. Partial position for profit. And then head out around 9, but I got to do the math on the numbers of what share price they actually need to cross the threshold of $3. I mean, of 3 years of cash runway. Then I can give you a better insight on where it's like a danger for that offering on ACHR. I just get that to you guys here today. We got what's up. DOH. Is that a ticker? Dan. Hots, we got we gotta look at my boy Nvidia. Should I sell some Nvidia and roll it into SMCI? Nick, I wouldn't do that if I were you. No sir, Blake. We finna check out RCAT right now. Shout out to Blake for being part of one of the memberships. Yeah, Blake, I think this coming dropping below those 740s, right around at like $7.38 levels, man. Falling. It's gonna continue to fall. I think what you want to look for is this thing actually bounce off the mid. That's where I will actually start paying closer attention to RCAT. But I think this thing got more room to run, man. To the downside for sure. KULR. On the fly right now, we are moving. Right now, we got good bids coming in. We are looking for $1.48 here really quickly. Let's see here, guys. Shout out to those that is currently in the live chat. If you did smash that like button, let me know. Let me know, guys. I want to know who's out here faking the funk. All right, who smashed that like button? Hop in the live chat. QBTS puts. Let's check it out. You guys coming out with them plays. What we seeing retracement here right now? QBT puts. Be looking for QBT to actually fall back towards those 470s here. That's what I'm looking for. It should fall below 470, honestly, but yeah. Right now, the PCD is way too high. PCD way too high. Right now, you're basically risking that buying high. For those that is like, should I get in QBT? But for you asking about those puts, give me a strike, man. I'll go over it with you, what I see on the screen. All right, until then, let me see what else you guys talking about. And I'm talking to my boy who asks about the puts on QBT. I'm just looking through the live chat. My bad. Yeah, we got a lot of QBT in there. But yeah, give me a strike. And not a strike, but an expiration. But I wouldn't actually do it, though. Fuck, nah. I don't think it's going to retrace enough for you to actually make any benefit on the risk versus reward on that. Currently got 57 likes. Guys, 158 people currently watching. If you are new, one big favor. We got a VSEEPT. I got you, Blake. Smash that like button, guys. Let's see if we can jump this thing over 100 likes, man. We keep this thing rolling. All right, yeah. 470. Should see around 470. I know we should cut under below that, but 470 is where it catches my attention. If I'm looking for like should I say, momentum play for a quick swing, but SATL. There we go. I think we got like a $5.80 PT on here. For those that's in the Discord, you're aware of this alert here this morning. Yeah, PT 580. Don't forget, guys, if you're new to the live stream, don't forget we do have a Discord server. So if you do want to be able to message me during and after trading hours, catch me over in the Discord. Catch all the Making Easy Money community in the Discord. Share ideas, trading ideas, all stuff like that. It's pretty active. 600 calls all day. We with the live stream. Okay, 600 on the calls all day. Okay. See you guys in the Discord. All right, look, we're looking for 580. Right now, let me check the bids and that spread, because that spread is wide. Wrong thing. Related stocks is we're looking for the spread. Let's see bid and ask spread here really quickly. All right, the bid ask spread. That's a 6-cent spread. Guys, this thing for to continue to move. And when the market maker has a spread in between, they're gonna keep it moving in a direction to keep continuing large amounts of volumes, because market makers don't care which way the stock goes. They just want to create a lot of volume so they can make money on the difference between these two. And that 6-cent spread lets me know these guys is making 6 cents each transaction. Basically, they're trying to buy your shares at 544, and they're asking and they're trying to sell theirs at 548. So that's the split that they make all day long, guys. The difference. So if they can continue to push this thing up or fill orders in the direction to make it go up, you know how market makers is, they continue to get volume. So when you have a large spread, I feel as though that these guys is pretty invested in this one. They must have a lot of shares on hand. A lot of shares on hand. They must expire. A lot of expired shares kept those things, and now they're trying to unload them some way. Got a few new members that just hopped into Discord. Shout out to you guys. What industry is this? Aerospace, defense. This one is moving a lot as well here. We got Boeing. QBTS here. It bounced off that upper, man. I don't know. Went to 469. Slightly under 470. Not too much, but now this is where I keep my eyes out on it. I'm much under 470, but slightly under it. RGTI, guys. Also saw a pivot, but that thing's flying. Across this mid at 483. Anybody still holding on RGTI? Let me know from the Discord if you are still holding on that. We got DJT going this week. Where is it? DJT going this week? Let me see. I think I'm bullish on DJT this week. I'm bullish on DJT this week. GME and ACHR. I'm bullish on ACHR this week. RGTI is just hitting that bid a lot. QBTS here may have bounced off that 470. Well, 469. But I think we're seeing the market. No, we're not. Market is drifting. DXYZ down pretty darn hard here today. It's down 20%, guys. I think this thing is about to halt. And this is a 3-minute chart. We already seen a halt, right? Order at info list. This was 9 minutes ago. That's what's going on. Guys, be ready to buy. I wouldn't say that. I gotta watch what I say here, man. Guys, keep your eyes out on this because it's gonna offer a great buying opportunity once this thing actually finds a bottom consolidation here on the day for its reversal. But those that did miss the DXYZ move, this should be on your screen right now. Phone, whatever. Put this video in the background because you're not gonna want to miss this one. Cause let me see. Yeah, we're back under that upper. It's 44.53. Yeah, keep your eyes out on the range between $48 and $43. Here, the longer you can hold off to the downside, the better for you. That's where you want to get greedy. Don't jump the gun and get greedy because being on the other side, it's no fun. I think Moomoo is the only platform you can buy options on DXYZ. Guys, switch over to Moomoo in case you didn't know. He is correct. So with that being said, man, make sure you use my sign up link in the description because you do get those 15 free stocks. All right. I do use Moomoo for a reason, guys. Why did it drop so fast? Because of this bullshit. Company news, man. Corporate news where they halted purposely. And then this takes place, but you'll be fine, man. I'm surprised we're not seeing a lot of other public traded stocks buy into SpaceX just yet, but each launch is a catalyst for DXYZ. So let's see, man. Let's put a bail on this because I do want to know once it starts moving. We're past our 5-minute ranking, so let's use it here. Let me check the spot one more time. Check the spot one more time. I think not yet. Let's see, SATL, slight retracement. 5-minute ranking, where we go with this one. Okay, we got cross mid here. Levels 27.83. Oh fuck yeah. 83. I put a swing trade on this. 20% gainer on the swing trade. Shout out to my boy Blake. He joined the Discord. Shout out Blake. Blake, well, I got an alert coming at you, man. Here's your first one. Swing trade. All right, 225 swing trade on that. We got this thing is rolling, ain't it? We got 5.6 billion. Risky investment. Yeah. It's a mid-cap gainer. Anybody currently holding this stock, let me know. ASAN. ASAN. All right. So again, DXYZ, man, this look like it's bouncing back here. If it can't cross this mid, that is danger. Yeah, it's me. If we don't cross that mid, it will get pretty ugly. Am I still muted? SATL below buy-in price buy right now. SATL, let me see. I mean, yeah. I'm looking for that 580 here. I'm confident in the 580. That's around about a 10% gain here from what we see there today. You good? SATL, swing trade, dog. You'll be fine. DXYZ, still trying to reverse. We just crossed the mid on the 1. CAN right now. CAN just crossed its. Yeah, CAN right now, guys, is a total. It's looking good right now. A buy right now, guys. A mega alert. I need a mega phone for this one. I need my neighbors to know about this one. And let them know, like, hey, man. Nah, I can't. Entry 305. Looking for a 340 on here, man. 340. 340 plus. Swing. Alright. Let's put a rocket on it. 3. No, give me 5 here. And we will be alerted every time it moves 5% within a 3-minute interval, letting us know that we are moving in the right direction. Next, let's see what else we can find here, guys. We got Duo. Duo is speeding through here. What's going on? We got halts and shit going on. Yeah. The big bad Duo, huh? I wouldn't touch that thing. It is what it is, guys. Let's find us. TIGR. Day chart. What's the news here? Trying to adopt modern. Okay. Nothing major. Hold off on that one. Right now we're looking for, well, this is one I keep my eyes out on here. This just broke out completely right now. 3 days of that. Massive covering. You hold off on that one. It looks like it's getting primed. Right now we SOUN. We found the retracement low to the 1480s. Look for $18 here, man. If we do, we need zoom out. 1576. Well, okay, if we can cross that 1576 here, man. Got $18 coming our way. $18 coming our way. QBTS right now still suffering of its recovery. Think it's gonna drop below that. Keep your eyes out on those levels, man. If you're still holding QBTS, man, let me know. Whoa, QMCO. Okay, I got $22 price target on QMCO, man. Swing trade. Everyone. Oops. This thing moving too right now. If it crossed that 1445, guys, this thing could fly. If you're still holding this can break that 445 here. In the trading day, it should actually challenge that 489. Sorry about that. Shortly after, so about to see a SAR flip here too on the 15-minute chart. This thing looking pretty bullish. Here for a continuation throughout the trading day. As far as breaking that aftermarket high Friday, I think we're gonna challenge that one here. Check the live chat. What's going on? ARMK 20 up 20 calls. Thoughts? ARMK calls. Talking next Friday, expiration next Friday. Let me check this thing out on the weekly. The biggest retracement week was 4%. Biggest gain week was 10, but on average 3%. Give me a strike. You're talking calls, right? So honestly, I'm not thinking by 220. Honestly, I wouldn't go calls, man, on the 1220s. At all, I would go puts because it's headed back towards those $37 levels, man. It's gonna follow its trading, but continue its trading pattern. Yeah, it's too low. Anytime, QBT. As I hold, I'm holding it. Yeah, hedge all day. DXYZ. See. Okay, we're comfortably. We want to stay. As long as we continue to trade under this upper, I'm fine. Above the mid and under the upper is where we want to be. These are high stakes. Anytime that you're above this line, guys, high stakes. TIDR. Still pushing, guys. Gun it. Just join the Discord. Shout out to you, man. Trust me, you will receive those wonderful alerts that you guys like. See here. I'm looking at a few other screens right now, guys. So bear with me. Scanning the market so we can TIGR. That's still coming up on the screen. Talk about DXYZ. I got you. We'll go back to it here. Here in a sec. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. We currently got 76 likes. 152 people currently watching. So if you're one of them that didn't smash that like button just yet, can you please do me a favor while I go make me another cup of coffee? Please smash that like button. It's not going to take long. I just want to be surprised by how many likes I got when we come back. Please. Let's see. All right, we back at it. QBTS is a rolling like a stone here, back down the hill. SERV. Let's look at DXYZ. Alright, we gotta open up here. Now things starting to consolidate slightly. Go to our, yeah, I'm fine with actually closing under $59 here, but above 54. Above 54, under 59, I am fine with that close, honestly. That is a safe and healthy retracement / correction for DXYZ. Cost GME, woof. We got XRP. Y'all like that XRP, huh? Oh no, he said NRXB. Pharmaceutical, huh? $13.38. Market cap 14 million. Very low share float. This thing is missing volume. Is it any? The only thing that's gonna really get this thing moving is a catalyst. I don't know if they have any type of FDAs coming up, but if they do, that's something to look into and consider. But that's the one thing that this thing is missing, and that is the volume. So we cross that. Let's check out TIGR still sitting there. SPY still flopping. Oh. TMC looks like a buyer today. Let me break it. At 95-cent price target on TMC. Here for a swing trade. TMC. $0.95 plus. So. And where do you see CRM by 220? most bullish. HOVR MIGI. Brother, check out that here in a sec. Just 2 likes away from 100. Shoot, I've been doing. What the fuck? Okay, thanks. I have a long time. Is it? What? What are y'all talking about? What is ketamine? Ketamine. It is a ketamine. Pretty new to the market. Huh? It challenged that upper there on QBTS and actually failed to break below it. So this we may be seeing a turnaround here before the day is over with on QBTS. Far as industries go, looks like the EV market is doing pretty well here today. What's going on with Lucid, guys? Protein barcoding kit for multiple protein screenings. QSI. $2.10 price target on this. Let's check out the live chat. Thoughts on SERV? Check it out here. Bam. Doing just what we needed to do. We're looking to hit that $14 here on this thing. We did actually come pretty close here. Strong rejection above that upper here on the 3. It's a great chance this thing may see another high here and actually hit those $14, that $14 pre-T that we're looking for here in SERV. Okay, that is starting to move up. Anybody already holding QSI? How's Wolf looking? I think honestly, Wolf should be headed back towards those $11.50 levels here before Wednesday. Before Wednesday for sure. Anybody else holding this? All right. Let's see. DXYZ is still having trouble breaking out that bottom consolidation. Whoa. This right here just exploded. This should be breaking at 429. And after that, things can get very bullish. The bids is outpacing the asks pretty darn quickly, which is forcing that ask to climb. It sounds very. If anybody was ear hustling, that they would honestly think I was saying something different. But serve was at 50 start last week. Now $13. Yep. Guys, Nvidia's holdings are about to boom. Well, they're booming. Remember, let me go back to it. Let me show you guys this for those that is new to the neighborhood. Allow me to reintroduce myself. This is the Nvidia's holdings, guys. We talking about ARM. These is plays that you want to look out for. These are the stocks that Nvidia is heavily invested in. NNOX. For those that feel as though that Nvidia is overvalued, here are some great alternatives next to Palantir, should I say. Totally different industries. SERV, ARM, NNOX. We got RX as well. As you guys can see, Nvidia's holdings is booming. We got 5 out of 11 up right now. And if we look at the week, I'll show you. That's the 5-day chart. Currently right now, everything is up on the 5-day, but we got currently SOUN is up over 70% here in the last 5 days. SERV 44%. We got NNOX that is currently up 35%. RX, which is currently up 32%. APLD, these are the ones that are currently like ARM, and APLD. These things have higher market cap, so just take those into consideration, guys. SOUN update. I got you. I finally crossed 100 likes, guys. Shout out to those that did. Smash that like button. Since we got 156 people currently watching, it should be no problem to get 150 likes, right, guys? Again, for those that want to sign up for the Discord, sign up link is in the description below. In fact, I'll make it easier for you guys. Those that want to join the Discord, Really appreciate that, Mr. Sweet Beaks. Mr. Sweet Beaks. You know, that's funny as hell for that one. You guys got Reddit names. RKLB got hit hard. Rocket Lab. I understand. Duo is still just doing its thing, huh? Okay. No, that's not looking good. QSI still trying to hit our 210 here. AVGO. Yeah, I think that's headed to that 182. Not much room for us to make any money on it right now. QSI, we're tracing slightly right now, but we do have GOEV here, APPS. ZKJ, this thing looks like it's about to halt. Anybody holding ZJK? Okay, that looks like picking up steam. OTLK. Let's check it out. That's a wide range from that SAR. I think it's just missing the volume right now. This thing has to have incredibly high volume. That is when the share price is $1.60. You're gonna need a lot of volume to really start moving that. And TIGR still top 5, but MRM, no. Nano Dimensions. It's something you may want to consider right now, guys. It's looking great. If you break that 246, then we should head towards those $2.58 levels here on the day here in Nano Dimensions. Dan Caruth. Dan, what's your name in the Discord, man? He probably wasn't aware, but we'll get that situated. No, I don't trade with a stop loss. DXYZ back falling. See. Yep, we're back under that upper. That's not all bad to be under that upper though, guys. Not at all. Bad Monday. Not so much. I mean, it kicked off bad so far. I think yeah, it's a bad Monday. I'm looking at the markets. You're right. It's a bad Monday, but I think we should be able to make some money here today, guys. Let's see. We got NVTS right now. Still climbing. Semiconductor stock currently market cap is only 813 million. I do think we're gonna peak a billion here. We're gonna peak across a billion here. Look, and then retrace slightly under before we make the next leg up here in NVTS. I do like fundamentals, and not only that, I do feel as though that this is a nice midterm hold. So is Palantir crashing or correcting? I'm gonna use the word correcting, guys, especially when it comes to something like Palantir. Just look how it just been running to the moon. We do expect a correction, nothing to panic about. For those that is new to the live stream, smash that like button, guys. Get this thing to over 150 likes. We got 113 so far. PT still 530 on, yeah, 580 swing trade. You good, Blake? Don't worry. The big old got you, man. I got you. The moment I'm not confident in it anymore, I'm gonna let you know. But yeah, guys. When Mondays start off like this, we finish the week pretty darn good, don't you guys say? So let's get the red days out the way first. We should be able to find a few plays here. Whoa, good thing we didn't do any spot calls today. Baby. We should have went puts, but I knew we opened up pretty darn rough. And we started to make a slight recovery, so it didn't seem like it was time for that. But this is ultimately going to present a better opportunity on them spot calls here. Dailies, though. FFI. I don't know what's going on with the penny stock EV market. ZJK. Yeah, if you break that 1542, this thing could get out of hand. Keep your eyes out on that one. Markets is still just retracing here. Might be headed back time towards that 598 on the SPY, guys. We may be headed back towards that 598 before the year is over with, for sure. We may back. I honestly think we could be coming into a cold winter. How about that? God, ZEO, but In the live chat, we got Fish. It's got me hot. And my friends with Gil. Associates. Gil is a hot person to be. He's a very hot person, man. He will get you investigated. ACHR is still under manipulation due to high volatility. Dude, I ain't talked to Gil on a daily basis since like 2019, bro. Like, no, I wouldn't consider myself friends with him, but we got man, the markets is we may be seeing a bounce here, but overall QSI still hanging in there. Yeah. High was at 29.35. That's what we want to actually break here today. 29.35. That'll have given us a higher high and a higher low from previous trade. So we looking for, man. That upper right now at $30. We should be crossing that around at 20 done here tomorrow. If we break out that consolidation state that I think we are in, we should be. The day that we challenge that lower here, because it's going to continue to move upwards on this path. That's going to be the breakout day. So I'm saying before Wednesday, we should actually see a breakout to the upside here in GME here pretty soon. For theories that is currently holding, remember, January 17th, guys, is what we're looking into for cover calls to actually cause a gamma squeeze. Currently, right now, we got about 150 of watchers. He say it's okay. We're all your friends, bro. Thanks, Fish. Thank you for that. But no, man. SQMU. I haven't looked at Square in a long time. Think, yeah, this thing headed back towards $90, man. $90 here. Within the next 5 days of trade, I can see it actually retracing back towards there. We're seeing, on the bad side of things, in $88. But it's gonna correct, consolidate, and continue its trading pattern back towards that $107 levels, which I think we should be seeing that here in SQ. Here, especially closer towards earnings, though. And I expect a great one. We have been getting for quite some time, but again, shout out to my boy B Cobble for that just joined the Discord. Again, guys, if you do want to join our Discord, that sign up link is pinned in the comment section. Right now, yeah, keep your eyes out on for that $93 break there in SQ. We dropped below that. We're headed to 90. Quick. SERV is leading the pack right now. That's a very great sign. We did see a retracement from its top, but breaking that mid here. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish here for SERV, especially in the month of December. We just RX. We were just talking about this play. Speaking of, I got a $12 short-term price target here on RX. You should see that here before the end of the year is over with. And remember, guys, my PTs these are price targets that I feel as though that is sustainable. UMAC, I got you. Kabul. Funny, man. Alright, man. I ain't the Shakespeare of words, but I got you, man. I understand. My mans. But look at this. Look at the market here today, man. Yikes. We're just seeing that semiconductor cleanup here, that's all. It's really terrible. Here, now we're below those concern levels here in DXYZ. Short sale restricted for sure, but this today ate up everything from Friday. Wipeout candle. We're way beyond that upper though. QBTS, I got you. HOVR. HOVR got you guys. All these plays that's been running. Corrections. I mean, I like that bounce off the mid here in HOVR. 12% retracement. This thing is short sale restricted here for tomorrow as well. A retracement on a short sale restricted day is something, a early warning signal. Let's just say that. TIGR has seen its breakout point here. 792 levels, which now this thing should get very bullish here on the day. Market is a flat. That's my first. That's crazy, man. Today is runway flat. Seriously, but I just think it's just gonna be like this just for a couple, just for now. I don't think we're gonna see the day end like this. It's either going to shift badly or we're going to see things correct here. But if you ask me, guys, 598 on this spot. I think we headed towards it. Not today, of course. That'd be crazy. That'd be a stock market crash for real if that actually took place. I like what I'm seeing here, and let's check these sectors out. Live streaming, isn't that a coinky dink? Live streaming is number one, and we're so happy to be live streaming here today, huh? But nothing that we're interested in. Silver, and then these China plays. This is a lot of ETF stocks. QBTS still making its way down south, should I say. It has to actually cross that mid, guys. We did a slight cross here on the 3, but got rejected. Even challenged it twice to actually cross it fully and close above it. Never happened. So a rejection here can spell a very, very bad situation here for QBTS on the day. Hasn't fallen short sale restricted just yet. Yo, MIGI, my bad, Haas. I know you done put that at me a few times. The big Haas dog, huh? Haas, you drive a Harley, man. Sounds like you drive a Harley, man. Sounds like your neighbors don't like you because of that loud ass fucking. I tell you, man, I got a neighbor down the street that drives a Harley, bro. He drives this thing to work 6 o'clock in the morning. And that thing wakes up the neighborhood. He keep this shit up, man. I'm gonna put a fucking potato in his tailpipe, man. Alright, enough of this. MIGI. Currently right now, it's like a low volume type of day. Let's check out recent volume here. So we can get yesterday peaked in at 6 point. That's a huge drop in volume. Correction. Following day. Why didn't any trade happen here? Well, that's Friday. Oh, it closed with no change. Okay. Yeah, MIGI, man, I'm not liking what I'm seeing here at all. I think this thing could see those $1.16 levels here pretty soon in MIGI. I don't see a recovery just yet. My boys say cut. My bad, Cobble. My bad, man. Oswald Cobblepot. Oswald Cobblepot. I think that's his name. Or it's Oswald. I think it's Oswald Cobblepot. Pretty sure that's the penguin name. We got SATL. You fell for the banana in the tailpipe. Get them every time, right? AMD. We seeing semiconductors cleanup. That's all, guys. Semiconductors it pulled the market up. It carried the market last week, so we're seeing a semiconductor cleanup. The market carry that we did see here last week. And since semiconductors is basically the biggest industry in the market, it's who's really weighing things down. Alright, let's look at SATL. We're gonna look at AMD, Intel, SATL. My boy. Let's check it out. SATL still on the retrace. Still on the retrace. No recovery to the 5.8 just yet. I'm still confident in that $5.80 price target. TIGR still moving. Here, finally broke that upper. Just checking the Discord here really quickly. If you want to, nah, fish. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what the audience should do. What I want you to do, fish, is smash that like button, watch these videos, and read between the lines. All right. Let's see. Got a few questions here. We got how CERO looking. I'm gonna look at Intel here really quickly. Yo, members. Yeah, how's Intel? I think we're in a bottom consolidation here in Intel. We're not gonna be in it long though. Long as this bottom consolidation should take here in Intel is Wednesday by the latest. So yeah. But that bottom consolidation state, I think once we break out of it, it's going to be a northward move. But as far as long term in Intel right now, I'm focused on Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, TSM, bigger players, even Microsoft. So those the ones. Let's check out we'll join your Discord Premium too. I got you, Fish. Shout out to Fish, man. Fish is gonna be a Discord member. Fish, I promise you one thing, man. You won't regret it. Not just my alerts, but just the Discord in general, man. Very great people over there. Very great trading community, members and all. Honestly, the members is what makes the Discord. And it's pretty great chill community, man. Pretty great chill community. But again, though, I think Intel, it's fine, but long term in it, I wouldn't put my eggs in that basket. Market is still not looking good at all. We're still facing major retracement here throughout the trading day. And let's go back to our industry heat map. And as you guys can see here, what semiconductors being, like, the bigger the square is, the bigger portion, like market capital size it is to the entire market. So semiconductor is not a small place, as you guys can see. That makes a huge portion of the entire market. But with that tracement here, you want to find the stocks that is actually not seeing too much effect to today's retracement. Palantir is one of those stocks that is seeing major volatility from today's price action. Very great pre-market price action, running as high as that 82.70, but with today's bear presence in the open market, we're seeing a lot of downward momentum here across the board. So today isn't something that I have to worry about here, especially anything that is semiconductor related, cloud service related. This could be a great time to get a quick hedge in for the week in a couple of these plays. T-Rod price targets are $2.80 by rating companies are set around Also, pretty active stock around this time. That's a good long term. My man's Dan says long term PLTR South. Search bar boy mind of trying. Mind of trying. Know the move. Anyone know why Lucid is on the rise? Honestly, bro, we're seeing a few stocks in the crypto not well, I say crypto market. A few stocks in the EV market is running here today. I don't see any EV news, EV related news, broad EV related news that'll cause all of them to run like they are, but we seeing it. Those three bets grab shorts for PLTR. Yup, you got that right, Dan. See, Dan, I see you watching the markets, Dan. Dan, you know what you talking about, bruh. You right. You right. Everything has an effect. First, you're gonna see this market actually rise, which is gonna cause another market to rise, like a domino effect. So you right about that, Dan. QBTS. Yeah, those cloud companies either. Don't sleep on those cloud companies. Plus, Lucid is delivering cars finally. I actually saw one on the road in my city. Pretty slick looking ride. Lucids are pretty darn fast as well too, so it's just the auto manufacturing sector is so competitive. If Lucid and a lot of these startup EV companies would really have had a fighting chance if major auto manufacturers wouldn't have brought EV to market as fast as they did. A lot of people expected that these major auto manufacturers, your Fords, your Stellantises, your General Motors, and many others, BMW, you name it, experts didn't think they were going to bring an EV to market within 5 to 10 years. 2 years later, they were rolling out EVs across the market, these major auto manufacturers, stopping the ability for a lot of these startup companies like your Lucid and a lot of these other ones like you guys know them, Rivians and others like that, stopping their ability to capture market share in the space. So you're like companies like Lucid maybe bought out or maybe become like a main vehicle in the Middle East, but Americans are built on car culture, right? Your BMW guy is forever going to be a BMW guy. It's going to be hard to sell a Chevy guy anything besides a fucking Chevy, especially when you can make it when your EV vehicles are coming out much quicker and cheaper than a lot of these startup EV companies because they don't have the resources or they don't have the production capabilities like your General Motors. General Motors can spit out more vehicles in one shift than fucking Lucid can in probably a week. And they're able to do it at a cheaper price because, again, they have the cash to buy more. Like, and this is the same thing that's going to happen in the same space that ACHR is in. Look what happened to a lot of these startup EV companies. That's why you don't see, like, your Warren Buffett running to ACHR. Yes, ACHR, a company like ACHR is going to be the future. Yes, companies like that is going to be profitable, but it's not going to be profitable until it becomes as normal like Uber, until it becomes accessible to the average consumer, until I can look up and see flying autonomous vehicles everywhere, that space will never be profitable until that actually comes to place. It's just like the aerospace sector. Airplanes didn't become profitable until it became accessible to the average American. At first, only rich people was able to fly, and it wasn't profitable. Just like you're gonna see with these flying taxis, only rich people is gonna use things like that. It's not gonna be profitable for years, guys. So don't think buying into ACHR and holding it for months is the best. The early investor is not always the right investor, guys. I'm just letting you guys know that now. Trying to be an early investor in a company like ACHR is only going to hurt you if you don't have, like, a lot of major investors would do something like that if they personally have the cash runway to keep a company afloat until they actually becomes profitable. But we're not seeing that. So be aware, guys. Don't listen to the next person thinking, oh, ACHR to the future. Just keep buying the stock. Nah, don't do that one, guys. Trade it, make some money, get up out of there. I look at all these stocks as just letters. 4 letters to me, guys. I don't care if they were making doomsday devices. I see an opportunity I'm going to make some money off of it, and I'm not going to get attached to 4 letters. Like I see a lot of people that does that. See here, we got a BTDR. Still not making its recovery here. Like at 210 here in QSI, guys. Still haven't gotten it, but it's trying to show here. Household names. Yep. So let's go. Will QBTS bounce back by close? JJ, it's really kind of hard right now to bet on that because I see it recovering depending on the price action. Like a short-term buying pressure could cause a short cover wave in a rush of volume, but I don't see it. I think we're gonna find that bottom consolidation stay here in QBTS on the day, but the biggest recovery I think we could make is a back across those 480s, but I don't think that we are going to close above $5 here just yet. Let's see what happens heading into lunch, and things might shift by then, but right now it's not looking like it. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys, if you're new to the live stream. It really does help the channel grow, guys. Anytime that you watch the channel, don't forget, smash that like button. AMD about to drop another leg. Let me see. J Bug in the building. Shout out to J Bug. That next leg is going to be under that $131 mark here if we do make one to the downside here in AMD on the day. Right. here. We might be seeing a correction here on the day now. We may have bottomed out and starting to turn here on the day. Think we may be considering them spot calls here pretty soon. Keep you guys updated with that. Waiting for a good buy-in price for QBTS. Yeah, I'll hold off on it for now. Yeah, I'll hold off on it for now, man. Honestly, on that QBTS for sure. Nothing to jump the gun about just yet. On QBTS, let's check out QUBT. Also retracement here. We're just seeing the market correction here, guys. Just an industry correction. See. All right. All right. If you are on Moomoo, I'll comment on there on the ACA. In fact, Dan, drop the ACHR video in the comment section on Moomoo for me. I will see it. I'll comment. Dan, the man, with the plan. Alright. See you there, Dan. And not Moomoo yet. If ACHR hits 11, I will sell off. See, my man's Haas already got the exit plan. Big boss Dog got the plan. You always gotta have a exit plan, guys, before you even take the trade. And GXAI, man, look like it's about to break a high on the trading day. If it break that 429, I got confidence in the 429 break, man, here in GXAI, especially in a swing trade situation. Look at that high short sale ratio, 9.7% coming off of a total of 14 million. Days before that, this thing didn't even see a total volume of the short count that we got here just off of yesterday. So short cover situation taking place here again throughout the trading day is totally possible, very possible to happen here. So keep your eyes out on GXAI, man. End of the week price prediction for SOUN. Let's check it out here. Right now, retracement. Yikes. I gave you the bad end of the day, I believe, already. Well, if you caught the video, this morning's video. But end of the week, man, we was really looking for $18 on the day for SOUN. That's my end of the week price prediction, honestly. Because after that $18, I really expected retracement here. We didn't even get to the $18 before we even got to the retracement. So $18 end of the week, because we got to make that recovery, honestly. But with short activity, volume 84 million coming off of total of 218. So it looks like we short volume here today. We're gonna be short volume here today, but a short sale restriction fall here for SOUN. Huge retail investor interest. I'm pretty confident in the swing trade situation here, especially from these prices. If I got in right now, I'll make sure I use my 10% buy-in method strategy. You guys know about that video. Make sure you check that one out. But again, SOUN $18. End of the week. Good luck, Dan. Positive vibes. You we. With my band king today, I'm getting ready to have a peacemaker. Shout out to Dan, guys. I'm praying for you, Dan. I really do. Hope everything goes well. I really do, man. Prayers for Dan, everybody. Still haven't broke that 189 though, man. We gotta break that on the flood. No, we already, yeah. I think it was 184 we had to break. 210 on the PT here. After hitting that PT, I will partial profit 80% of the position and leave that 20% for the ride, because price action does look like it could continue through that PT. So keep that in mind as well. Seeing a chop up in the markets across the board here right now. So let's check out his 5-minute ranking here. So we should be able to find something. TAL. All right, TAL looks like this thing could be headed back towards those 211. There we go, 15. Snakes, no. Snakes. Snakies. Yeah, we're gonna stay away from this one. We almost jumped the gun there. SATL. TAL. Let's see here. Okay, so I just got a message from the guys over on Moo. They watching. That's crazy. That's nuts. Any price target for SATL, please. SATL, $5.80. $5.80. Guys, get over to the Discord immediately. Like, these are things like the beauty of the Discord. You get notifications on all my alerts soon I post them. That 580. You. This is up 9%. Let's check out the day chart. Nah, I'm not liking what I see on that day chart. DXYZ, we broke below that mid. I mean, we broke below the upper. So that's a current comfortable retracement and healthy retracement. I have to go accept. Oh, there she go. Okay. Bam. Got the message through. End of the year discount coming up on Discord membership. You dickied. Hi, yeah. We're gonna have a end of the year. More than likely, we're gonna have a Christmas discount, I guess. We'll run it till the end of the year. Give you guys like 2 weeks. Give everybody a chance to actually get in at a wonderful discount. But again, we got membership as low as $4. So weekly membership as low as $10. So one alert can pay for a year's worth of membership. So keep that in mind, guys. BTCM Bitcoin mining, IQ. I like what I see in IQ right now. News right now, China will adopt. Okay, so this must be a China play. Made in China. Nah. The made in China plays is not what we looking for currently right now. See what's going on in the live chat. Surely getting there for the next year. Yeah, it is, man. The next year. You guys got any things planned for next year? We should see a very bullish market here this upcoming year. So that's great. Rocket Lab, I think, let me see. What's the price target for QUBT today? Honestly, QUBT, I think QUBT and QB, it's so many of these, QBTS, I think they're going to continue to retrace here on the day. I don't think they have found their lows here. So by PT right now, it's hard to give one. It's hard to give one right now, as far as price target. Shout out to the new members that just joined the Discord. It was 8 of you guys. Guys, you are flooding this thing right now. Flooding the Discord. All right, don't forget to keep. Markets are trailing, but I like how QSI is still holding up here and TIGR. I do expect to see a breakout from one of the two here pretty darn soon. QBTS, we're seeing a lot of bids coming rolling in here. SOUR looks good for long-term position. SOUR. SOUR looks as though yeah. Not just yet, if you ask me. I keep my eyes out on this close trade across this mid, because if we break back below it, yikes. Especially with a red SAR that far between the trade, things can get ugly. DXYZ look like it's trying to make a recovery from that bounce. Whoa. SAR flip, upper break. Alright, just look for this to cross $66 here. Getting a lot of bids flying in DXYZ right now. Can I please get a link to that 10% strategy video you always reference? I think let me get that. The best. I think it's like labeled the best. No. Penny stock. Let's try penny stock. I think this is it. Alright. Here you go. Oops, that's the wrong thing. That's the wrong thing. Don't mind that one. Let me get this for you. Thought I just copy link. And here you go. There you go. But again, though, guys, I just want to thank you guys for coming out to the live stream. And we're going to be ending this one. But I will be dropping an update video on the stocks pertaining here to today's video. A few others like Palantir, DJT, and others. So hope you guys check out that update video. And may the gains be with you all.